Security guards. Create as a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect lives and properties and maintain order within the vicinity or place of my duty. Protect the interests of employer and our clients and the suit stability of our government and country without compromise and prejudice honest my thoughts and deeds. I do my best to uphold as to this principle maka-Diyos, makabayan at makatao. Ethical standard. Number one, he shall be honest in thoughts and deeds, both of his official operation obeying the laws of land and the regulation prescribed by his agency and those by the company he is supposed to serve. So number two, he shall not reveal any confidential matter committed to him as a security guard and such other matters imposed upon by him law. Number three, he shall act all times with decorum and shall not permit of personal feelings, prejudice, and undue friendship to influence his actuation in the performance of his official function. Number four, he shall not compromise with the criminal and other lawless elements to prejudice of the customer or clients and shall assist the government relentless drive against lawless and other forms of criminality. Then number five, he shall carry out his assigned duties as required by the law the best of ability and shall safeguard life and property of the establishment that is assigned to. And number six, he shall wear the uniform badge, patches, and insignia and property as a symbol of public trust and confidence and honest and trustworthy security guard, watchman, and private detective. Then number seven, you shall keep his allegiance first in the government he is assigned to serve without loyalty and utmost dedication. Number eight, he shall diligently and presumably familiarize himself with the rules and the regulation laid down by his agency and those of the customer or clients. He shall Number nine, he shall at the all times be courteous, respectful, and salute his prayer officer, government official, and official of the establishment where he is assigned and the company he is supposed to serve. Number 10, he shall report for duty always in proper uniform and neat in his appearance. And 11, he shall learn at the heart and strictly observe the laws and regulation governing the use of firearms. Code of conduct. Number one, he shall carry with him at all times during his tour of his duty an identification card and duty detail order to authority to carry firearms. Number two, he shall not use his license and privilege to the prejudice public, the client or customer and agency. Number three, he shall not engage in unnecessary conversation with anybody except in the discharge of his shall at all times keep himself alert during his tour of duty. Number four, he shall not read newspaper, magazine, books, and etc. while performing his duty. Number five, he shall not drink any intoxicating liquor immediately before, during of his tour of his duty. Number six, he shall know the location of the fire alarm box near his post and sound the alarm in case of fire in this order. Number seven, he shall know how to operate any fire extinguisher at the post and shall know the location of the telephone and the telephone number of the police presence as well as the telephone number of the fire station in the locality. Number 9, he shall immediately notify the police in case of any sign of disorder, strike, riot, or any serious violation of law. Number 10, he or his group or guards shall not participate in integrate any disorder, strike, riot, or any serious violation of the law. And 11, you shall assist the police preservation and maintenance of the peace and order and the protection of the life property, having in mind that nature of his responsibility is similar to that of the latter. 12, he shall familiarize himself with the private security law of RE 487 as amended and the PNP Then implementing rules of regulation. Number 13, when issued pass, the should not lend his to anybody. Number 14, should always in the proper uniform and shall always carry with him his basic requirements and equipment and such as writing notebook, a ballpen, nightstick, and other radio he shall endeavor at all times. Number 1, to take charge of this post and all government property in view. Number 2, to walk my post in military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that take place sign or hearing. Number 3, to report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. Number 5, to quit my post only when property relieved. Number 6, to receive only, obey, and pass on the sentry who relieves me. Who relieves me, all enters from the commanding officer, officer of the day, and the officer of the commissioned officer of the guard. Number 7, to knock no one except the line of duty. Number 8, to give alarm in case of fire disorder. Number 9, to call to call the corporal of the guard in any case of covered by instructions. Number 10, to salute all officers and all colors and standards not case. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night during the time of to challenge all person on the near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority.